All right, let me quickly cut across to Ailia Zehra joining us, a Pakistan journalist, to give us an understanding on the situation there. Ailia, Supreme Court has now moved the matter to hear for tomorrow. In the meanwhile, do you see any commotion that unfolds in areas of Islamabad? We know that heavy security deployment has been imposed, and this comes at a time when Imran Khan has almost been poking fun at the opposition, saying that you never saw this coming, this was clearly a surprise for you, and a big smile, a picture that's been put up on his party's Twitter page. This really shows of a defiant Imran Khan, undoubtedly.
Yeah, of course. And I was at the parliament just now, and the way the PTI members were joking about it, and taking this whole thing as if it is some kind of joke, when in fact it has created a constitutional crisis in the country. It was really disappointing to see how they were literally just trolling the opposition members there. After creating a constitutional crisis in the country. And the Supreme Court rightly took notice of the situation, and we are told that they are very serious about it. As far as the security is concerned, the Supreme Court also ordered the Interior Secretary and all the relevant parties to make sure that the security is up to the mark and no untoward incident takes place in the capital. And we saw that Imran Khan had, also claimed that people will gather in the capital and stop the no trust motion somehow, but there were no such gatherings, and I don't think that many PTI supporters came on the streets. So we can say that the call that he had given for protests to his followers, to his supporters, that was virtually kind of, it failed. So I don't think that the security situation will worsen, or because the security forces are out there and they're taking care of security of the important buildings and the red zone especially. Many of the areas leading towards BUCHA have been sealed. Just one of the areas is open right now. And I don't think that the security situation, because court is keeping an eye on it, and the law enforcement agencies have also taken their position. They're, noticing the whole situation. But in this whole crisis, the government's role, I don't know whether or not we should call it a government even, because the fact that they've all resigned from their positions, and the court said that the orders of the Prime Minister and the President would be stayed until the court gives some order to after this, if there's some verdict announced. So the whole it's very immature, the way the ruling party is acting, and now all eyes are on the Supreme Court. And if
we'll see,
the Supreme Court
hopefully will be hearing the matter tomorrow, and we're really hoping that this comes to an end, because clearly you, as a citizen of your own country, would want to see some stability in the political scenario for government functioning to take place as normal once again. Thank you very much for joining us with those details.